going on? Welcome back. And the sun is straight in my eyes, I can't see anything, but what we're gonna do today, we're gonna be cleaning the RS5 engine. You can see it right here, well, in a minute. So it's really dirty, never been cleaned before, and I know there is a lot of videos, they have that professional cleaning, water pressure washing, all kind of chemicals. But for this episode, we're gonna try and see if we can clean the engine only with the stuff that you have at the house, and all-purpose sprays and couple brushes, regular rag from the garage and stuff like that. So let's use that and see how good we can clean that engine. Okay, so I got, what is this? A Windex. I have the spray. What else? I have this brush that I can also use to wash my wheels from inside, and just the regular rag. Let me show you my engine. I mean, this thing is really dirty. There's sand and dust and everything. I was surprised when I opened the hood. I was expecting a bird or something's gonna fly out, but yeah, let me set everything up and we're gonna start cleaning the engine. Okay, so we got a setup here. As I said, I have Windex, I have a regular rag, I have this small brush, and then I have the big brush. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the top over here. Let me clean this dust off. I think we're gonna need a vacuum or something. Alright, now there's a tricky part right here between. I think this brush is too soft. Oh yeah, but it's working. Just gotta be careful. Don't break any lines or anything, but yeah, it works pretty good so far. Oh yeah, also next time we can open this the air filter inside. If we get the air filter, maybe I can buy a new one and just replace it, and I can record that, how to replace the air filter on the car. Pretty easy, there's just a couple screws. It's just a lot of pollen. Okay, it already looks better. That was a 3 to 5 minute engine cleaning. So if you're lazy, no, I'm just kidding, not lazy, but you know, you need equipment, you need stuff to clean the engine. But if you just wanna clean it a little bit to look like at least you're taking care of it, you can do that. You can find a couple brushes, Windex, small rag, spray it, clean it, and it's gonna look like brand new. So thank you for watching. As I said, subscribe, click the like button, and I'll see you